We really do try and encourage former military talent out there to take an interest in Power Test. We have employees who are former military. They really excel, due to their leadership, their interest in travel, their discipline, and it's a great place to land once you come into that civilian world.
The reason that the transition from military life to civilian life through Power Test is so great, and it's been so great for so many years, is because we have a really strong core set of values that translate over really well to each one of the branches. Gives you something to hold on to more than just your duty and your job, and really gives you a sense of purpose within your job, which is really important in the military.
Power Test helped me transition from military to civilian life by being easy with me. They understood that it's a different culture, a different change, it's kind of a shock. So they took that into consideration when they hired me, and they didn't put too much on me right away, and they kind of eased me into the whole process of being a civilian again.
Power Test is a great career outlet for us prior service and retirees from the military, because we get to keep using our acquired skills that over years and years of time in the military we used again and again. This was a great fit for me and for anybody who is from the military to keep doing what they love.
In my case, I'm a traveling service technician. I travel all over, which I'm used to from the military. I know a lot of my prior service friends and family members. They're extremely hands-on when it comes to work, and that's essentially what Power Test is 100% hands-on.
The appealing part of Power Test that makes me want to have a long-term career here is the fact that you have a family here. You can simply rely on the person next to you to help you get the job done no matter what it is. Nobody will let you down on a day-to-day basis and make sure you get your work done.
So when I transitioned out of active duty Army into Power Test, I didn't have a break between the two. And I went from a team environment that I'd been living for over 20 years into another team environment. It's new, but it's the same. We all pull together to get the product out. We have a common bond to make the product and stand behind what we do.
Power Test supports families of both military and non-military alike the same way, and they allow you to have your time at home. They realize if you worked long hours, hey, here's some extra hours tomorrow, come in late. They make sure that you get the time you need with your family so that you have a good life-work balance.
They have a great structure, very tight-knit family. Their values are extremely upheld, and it's just all around a great place to work.
If you do not have a service history here, such as myself, most of us have family members or friends or people that are really close to them that have served. We truly understand the importance of transitioning from military life to civilian life. It can be difficult for some, but Power Test is going to make it better for all.
We really encourage former military to check out Power Test. I think we're a great fit. Please check out our website and contact us. We'd be happy to get in touch with you and share a little bit about our culture with you.